Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show how to automatically run applications as administrator in Windows 11. This can be really handy if you have certain apps that require administrative privileges every time they launch. First, what you can do is right click on any app that you want to run as administrator, then tap on show more options, then click on properties. Now go to compatibility. Sorry. Show more options, properties, compatibility, and here you can see run this program as an administrator. Click on that and then click on OK and apply. And that is how you can automatically add any application to run as administrator in Windows 11.